So we have by today built out our own repair shop where we have 2 people working. We source our own parts as well. And this means that we are able to repair our cars, let's say something around 80% below the normal market price. So we recently had a case, right? No, I'm not kidding, actually. So I'll just give you an example. We just finished actually repairing one of the cars that was in a very serious collision last year. Luckily, we've only had a few, and to nothing very recently. So that's very good. But that car, the initial repair estimate for that car was, I think it was 26 or 27,000 euros. So it was basically a write-off. Our actual cost of fixing that car, and it's basically done now, is 5.4 thousand euros. So what we did,